Most manufacturers today face the challenge of transitioning from a very specialist sales rep model to a generalist model. So rather than having a rep represent one product or one product line, they're now going to be required to sell across the entire product line or product catalog. But the real challenge is on the seller's side, where they need to get a wide range of content out to the field and the sales reps educated so that they can properly position the goods and services across the whole portfolio. Mediafly's evolved selling solution can help manufacturing companies access and deliver a large volume of product content, which enhances the buyer's experience and also ensures that your reps do not leave any money on the table in the form of missed opportunities to cross-sell and upsell. With content easily accessible at the sales rep's fingertips, either online or offline, conversations can pivot with where they need to go should a buyer want to learn more about other products and services. Mediafly's platform supports the inclusion of interactive content, things like ROI and TCO calculators, along with embedding third-party data that really takes the conversation to a higher level and adds more value to the buyer-seller interaction. By turning static conversations into interactive ones, sellers can create a unique buying experience that will lead to increased new sales and sales across product categories. And that's evolved selling.